how to install MSI App Player on PC or laptop. So if you want to install MSI App Player on your PC or laptop, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your browser. MSI App Player is an Android emulator that gives you smooth performance, built-in key mapping support, and the ability to enjoy mobile games with full keyboard and mouse control. And in order to install or download, you need to just simply go with browser and then go with the search and search for MSI Emulator. After that, go with the first website, which is www.msi.com, MSI App Player X BlueStacks. Once you click on that, you need to just simply go with download button right here. Click on the download option and it will start the downloading process. Once the download has been completed, you need to go with your file manager and here you need to go with downloads section. Under downloads, you need to just double click on this and it will ask you if you want to open this file. You need to just simply go with OK. Before that, you need to just click on it and then go with extract. Go with extract all. After extracting, double click on it. Click on yes if you want to install and click on install now and it will start the installation process. It might take a few seconds or a few minutes to install. And in this way, you'll be able to install your MSI App Player on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.